Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a stainless steel barrel. And this is another barrel. Its width is less than the previous one. The smaller barrel will be inside the larger one. Make a mark with the inner barrel 2 inches lower than the outer barrel. Cut along the mark. See, the small barrel sits inside the big one. To fix the small barrel in the big one, I marked the top cover to the size of the small barrel, separated the round part. Two inches above the bottom of the large barrel, several holes are drilled so that oxygen can enter through these holes. In the same way, several holes are made at the top of the small barrel, 2 inches above it, so that oxygen can enter through these holes. Now I am making many holes at the bottom of the small barrel for the ash to go down. Now I am fixing the round hole on the top of the big barrel with the small barrel. However, both barrel connections must be airtight. Ready pot stand is placed on the upper floor to place the pot. Now I fixed 2 rings on both sides to hold the stove. Now, my stove has almost got a real shape. Now cleaning the welding dirt of the body of the stove. Now the oven is ready to use. To start the fire in the stove, I put a few pieces of dry paper and some pieces of dry wood, and then sprinkled a little kerosene oil. I set fire to the paper and put it in the oven. The fire started burning in the stove. Now the stove can be used for cooking. The furnace works on an internal science. Necessary oxygen enters through the large holes in the bottom barrel and heats up in the hollow part. and that oxygen enters through the holes in the top of the inner barrel and helps the fire to burn more intensely. How is the video and how to make it better? You can write your opinion in the comments section. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and press the bell button to get the next video.